dahil nga lumabas sa hearing yung totoong pangalan niya, nag-aral siya sa parehas kong school, sa Grace Christian High School, for grades 1, 2, and 3. Year 2000 to 2003. No? So, hindi siya homeschool ni Rubilin. Nag-aral ho talaga ho siya. No? And nung natatandaan ko, sa school ho namin walang farm ho doon. Puro building ho. No? And ito yung kanyang school records. Next will be the, in-attach ho kasi, pag nag-enroll ka, meron kang mga i-attach mo yung alien certificate of registration mo at lumalabas yung alien certificate of registration niya match doon sa alien certificate of registration na hawak ng Bureau of Immigration. And in that enrollment document, interestingly, meron ding birth certificate galing sa China, no, in Chinese, at tinranslate and tinranslate siya sa English. So nakasulat dito na father niya si Guo Jiang, alam na ho natin, at ang mother niya ay si Wen Yilin. No? So I just want to put this on record and show to the committee because as we go along, ang dami hong nagpo-provide ng information eh. Kasi nga lumalabas yung totoong identification eh. At gusto namin din magamit. Sayang naman itong mga pieces of evidence. Gusto namin magamit para lalong tumibay yung kaso na ifina-file po ng ating Solicitor General. Any comment to that?
We will be happy to receive these documents, Honorable Senator, and we will consider the same together with the team, together with the Honorable Solicitor General on the deliberation on the filing of a co-warranto. We submit, Honorable Senator.
Thank you, ASEC Kondangan. I'll just jump to another.
The alleged non-compliance with the mandatory and prohibitory laws with respect to civil registration systems and guidelines and administrative orders issued by NSO. These are detailed rules which NSO, then now PSA, and we provided that in our petition, Senator Win.
What you're saying is ginamit yung guidelines and rules as a basis to cancel the birth certificate. How about all of these things that came out during the hearing? The fingerprint matching, because ito importante at material to, no? Dahil I think maybe first time in the history that a committee managed to get information on fingerprints and nagmatch siya.
Yes.
Magagamit ba ito sa inyong filing of cancellation?
With respect to the cancellation of the certificate of live birth, Senator, we are not using the NBI findings because as far as we are concerned, the COLB of Mayor Guo itself, without going outside of it, it is already fictitious. As a matter of fact, the OSG adopted some of the findings of the honorable senators and we add more on the issuances of the NSO, particularly Administrative Order 193. Masyado po siyang detailed na we will furnish a copy of the petition filed by the OSG if we are required by the honorable senators.
Please do so.
Thank you so much,
ASG
Madam Chair.
Kondangan.
Yes.
All of these things that came out, itong mga the fingerprints, the lack of supporting documents in the, I think during the first or the second hearing, those were disclosed also during the hearing. Are those going to be relevant in the case?
With respect to the fingerprint, Honorable Senator, it will not be used in the certificate of live birth because we are just questioning the fictitious entries in the certificate of live birth. However, with respect to the other evidences, because the OSG is still drafting the petition for a co-warranto as confirmed by the Honorable Solicitor General, we will be filing the same, and the OSG is deliberating on documents coming from different government agency, and we will file the co-warranto in due time, Honorable Senator.
Two cases. First is the petition to revoke the
Certificate of live birth.
certificate
Yes.
of live birth, and then the quo warranto case.
Yes.
And what's the objective of the quo warranto?
The quo warranto is to determine the eligibility of Mayor Guo to continue to possess the office of the mayor of Banban. However, in the certificate of live birth, the issue there is the propriety of the issuance, inasmuch as the affidavit of delayed registration is questionable.
So will it be a
Parallel.
parallel, or we have to wait for the cancellation first before the quo warranto?
No, it can independently run, Honorable Senator. It is parallel because the issue in the certificate of live birth is the compliance with the civil registration system or the law. And basically, there are entries there which are fictitious and questionable. However, in the quo warranto, it will be more on the eligibility side of Mayor Guo.
But I would assume that the eligibility in question will be the nationality,
Yes.
of
Yes.
which it's
But as of now, I cannot divulge any without most humility and with all due respect, Honorable
yeah, I
Senator.
understand.
Thank you so much for the
I
understanding.
understand. I just want to be educated on the process, because as we go along, kami ni Senator Risa, we get a lot of tips and information, no? Especially when the real identity of Alice Go came out, no? Si Go Huaping. Kaya meron